Let me tell you, folks, I love this kit. It actually saves me from damaging my power tools when I get into tight and cramped spaces. The bits are excellent, and I was able to get it for under $10. This literally is my precious from Home Depot. I was able to get this case for $9.99 at Home Depot, and I freaking love it. It's sturdy, it's rugged, easy to carry. It's actually part of the tough system, so you can actually clip on another box to it. I've only was able to get two because these were the last two at the store. It's got the metal latches. It's got the dust and waterproof seal on it, and also the little boxes inside are made out of very tough little plastic. You can actually pull them out, set them up to wherever configuration you want, and they also are very deep. So literally for something that you want to store, especially your screws that you use every day, this thing is excellent. The most ass kicking toolbox I've ever had. Thank you very much, Dewalt and Home Depot. Come on, folks, show us some love. Please like, share, and subscribe.